Hi, and thank you for viewing this video. This is Kirk with Unix Commerce, and in this video, we're going to discuss how to basically communicate on your project with Unix, and this is going to be the best possible way to communicate effectively. All right, so we're on the website now. The first thing you want to do is go to Client Area. It's a link in the upper right-hand corner. To get to the Client Area, we go ahead and enter email and password and log in. And then on the right sidebar, you'll see My Projects. Go ahead and click there. We're going to be under the Projects Overview, so you're going to see every project you've had with us, including any projects that are in progress, as well as complete. The status on this one is awaiting, so this one is waiting for action, and this one is in progress, so you're waiting on us to reply. So let's go ahead and view the first one. We're going to click View Details here, and that's pretty much how you find your project. Now, your project ticket is how we communicate initially. So to locate that, you just scroll to the bottom of the page and locate associated tickets. And here we have a ticket with the same name as the project. So this is the ticket for the project. We go ahead and click on that, and we can now reply to any submission that was sent. So we just read what was communicated before, and then here we can enter a message and add attachments and things like that. Now, an important thing about the attachments and about the entire ticket here, you only can upload images or zip files. So if you have something that isn't an image and isn't a zip archive, you'll need to put those files in a folder and compress them as a zip file before uploading them. And don't worry, you can upload as much as you want. We have 10 gigabytes of attachments for every project that you start. So you can go nuts and upload as much as you need to keep the project going. All right, now what I've just described is how to reply on a ticket. And a part of that was adding a ticket level attachment. But what if you want to upload something that isn't really on this ticket, an attachment, but not for just this ticket, one for the entire project? That's where you would go back to the project area. All right, we're on the overview, so we go ahead and hit View Details here. And you'll see at the bottom we have all of the files and uploads that you can submit for the project. So in this dialog, we just hit Add File, and then you get a file chooser. Click on that and choose a file from your computer, and then you can upload it. This also allows you to add multiple attachments as well, so should you need to add something else to the project, just repeat the process and you can upload as much as you need. And that's pretty much how to communicate on every project. Now, I just want to show you how an ongoing project might look. That one was just a really simple sample project, but let's look at another project that has a lot more information. So we click View Details on that project, and here we have all of the tasks involved in the project. Sorry about that. So we have acquisition, design and development, testing, going live, working on a landing page, adding a logo for print, doing the initial logo concept, etc. So we have a lot of things that we can communicate here besides the ticket. And also, if you hit Show/Hide Detailed Time Logs, you'll see how much time was spent on each task in the project, and actually the date when it started and when it stopped, and the complete duration of that request. So you can get pretty detailed. You can see exactly when we're working on your project and how long it's taking, so you can look at what was done and kind of make sense of what happened. All right, now we also have a global view of a few things. So the associated tickets here, you're going to be able to see all of the tickets associated with this project. We have the associated invoices, so if there are multiple invoices or any invoices whatsoever, they're all going to be listed here. And time tracking, this is going to give you a global look at the entire duration that we've spent working on your project. And of course, you can upload files as well. And here we see the creation date, the due date of the project, which is the deadline, and the total time spent. All right, if you have any other questions, just reach out. Of course, we'll be more than happy to help, to respond, and to answer any query you have. But it is very important that you communicate in this method to keep the project very organized and archivable and simple to understand. Thank you.